If you're tired of guessing what's behind your van every time you back up, this video is for you. I tested and compared some of the best backup camera systems you can buy right now, and I'm counting down the top 5 from good all the way to the one I'd pick first. If you're driving a work van, camper van, cargo van, or even a large family van, one of these can make parking and reversing a whole lot easier. Starting at number 5 is the DoHonest S21 wireless backup camera. If you want a simple wireless setup without dealing with long video cables, this one gets the job done. Installation is pretty straightforward, and that's a huge plus for van owners who don't want to tear apart interior panels. The wireless signal is stable enough for everyday driving, and the display gives you a clear view behind the vehicle. The camera also handles rain and dusty conditions well, making it a solid choice for work vans that spend long hours on the road. The image quality isn't the sharpest in this lineup, but it's more than enough to spot vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles while reversing. At number 4 is the Amtifo A7 HD 1080p wireless backup camera. This system steps things up with a noticeably sharper 1080p picture. That extra clarity makes it easier to judge distance when backing into tight loading docks or crowded parking spaces. I also like how quickly the camera connects to the monitor after starting the vehicle. Night performance is another strong point. The image stays clean with less grain than many entry-level wireless cameras. If you regularly drive before sunrise or after dark, that's something you'll appreciate every single day. Coming in at number 3 is the Auto-Vox Solar wireless backup camera. This is one of the easiest systems to install because of its built-in solar charging. For many vans, you can skip running power cables to the rear camera altogether, which saves a lot of time. That's a feature that really stands out if you prefer a cleaner installation. The camera delivers a dependable wireless connection and good daytime image quality. The rechargeable battery and solar panel work together to reduce maintenance, making this a convenient option for people who don't want to worry about frequent charging. Taking the number 2 spot is the eRapta front rear view backup camera monitor kit. This kit gives you more flexibility than most systems here. Instead of only covering the rear, it supports both front and rear camera views, which can be incredibly helpful when maneuvering a long van through tight spaces. The monitor is large enough to see details clearly without distracting you from driving. Image quality is consistently sharp, and the wired connection provides excellent reliability. If you're the type of driver who values a stable video feed over the convenience of wireless, this system is hard to beat. My number 1 pick is the Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam backup camera. This isn't just a backup camera, it's a complete driving upgrade. The large mirror display replaces your standard rearview mirror with a bright, wide-angle live video feed that dramatically improves rear visibility. The 4K front recording combined with the rear camera gives you both driving protection and excellent reversing assistance. The touchscreen feels responsive, the picture quality is outstanding, and the wide viewing angle helps eliminate many of the blind spots that larger vans normally have. If you want one system that delivers premium visibility, recording features, and everyday convenience, this is the one I'd recommend first. If you're interested in any of these backup cameras, check the description below for the Amazon links and the latest deals. I'd also love to hear what you're driving, so drop a comment with your van setup and tell me which backup camera you'd choose. If this review helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.